Welcome to Bug's Decision Lab on Data Cruise Arcade, the chart-reading quiz game that sharpens your data skills one question at a time. To get started, head to Data Cruise Arcade and scroll down to the Chart Games section. Click on Decision Lab and you'll land on the title screen. Hit the orange Start button to begin. Before you dive in, check out the How to Play guide. Decision Lab has 5 rounds, each presenting a different type of data challenge. Round 1 is called Read the Chart. You'll see a real-world chart, a bar chart, pie chart, or line graph, and answer a specific question about the data. Sometimes you type a number, sometimes you choose from options. Let's walk through it. Your first question might show a bar chart of UK monthly streaming service subscribers. The question asks, how many millions of subscribers does Disney Plus have in the UK? Look at the Disney Plus bar. Trace up to the y-axis, read the value, and type it in. Get it right, and you'll see a green correct. Bug cheers, and a brief explanation appears. Next question might be a pie chart of UK mobile phone operating system market share. Which OS has the biggest slice? Android, iOS, or are they equal? Pick from the multiple choice options and submit. A line chart follows, tracking UK consumer price inflation over time. Find the year 2023 on the x-axis, trace up to the line, and read the CPI percentage on the y-axis. Round 2 introduces Compare and Rank. You'll compare multiple data values or rank them in order. Pay close attention to the exact numbers and percentages shown on the chart before answering. Throughout the game, a timer runs in the corner, and Bug reacts to every answer, celebrating your wins and revealing the correct answer when you miss. The game is built around real data sets, which means every question you answer is genuine data literacy practice. Bug's Decision Lab is free to play on Data Cruise Arcade. Go read some charts.